I have been wanting a steering wheel tray since the moment I saw them. I don't know why I want this thing. I just really, really want it. I think it'll make my life easier when I'm just sitting around in my car doing random things. We're gonna try this on now. I am in a 2024 Hyundai Pacifica. Just an ordinary tray on one side. I don't know what this, it's got a paisley. I don't know what that's for, 2 paisleys. But this is supposedly where your drink will go. And on the back side, we've got the baby drinks and a baby drink. And I think this is for a pencil, an Apple Pen. And this is slightly recessed. This is more recessed. You could pour your French fries out in here and put your drink there. Maybe the paisleys are for ketchup. I don't really know. No, you won't even be able to see those paisleys. Since I'm going to do a puzzle book, I'm going to put this on just like this. Supposedly, this just goes on super easy. So let's have a go. Yeah. Oh, I think I got it. That is not a good angle. And if I push down on it, I feel like I may damage my steering wheel. If I don't push down on it, it's at a weird angle. Taking it off is easy. You just put it at an angle. That doesn't seem like a good use of it. It's easy to put on. Once you just lift up on it. It goes right on, and you lift up on it and it comes down. So no big deal there. This is super easy. It's not like you have to try to figure out how it goes. If I put it like this, it's at an angle. I can definitely set something on it. Should be flat. This is how it should be. But instead it's like this. And I don't feel comfortable pulling on the steering wheel. Let's put my book on it. Doesn't really help. Still at an angle. Let's try changing the position of the steering wheel. This part's too bulky, it won't go there. Completely upside down. Yes. That is legit. That is exactly the way it should go. Putting the book on. Oh yeah, that is handy. Doing nails, you can do your nails. This is perfect. The weird thing is the steering wheel has to be upside down. The weird thing is the steering wheel needs to be upside down for this to work perfectly, but it does. The tray's a little small and it's pretty cheap material. It's doing exactly what I wanted it to do, and that was to give me an extra surface. So I love that. Now, where am I going to put it when I'm done? Let's see if I can figure it out. Taking it off, you just lift it up and it's done. Let's see what'll happen if we try to put it underneath the seat. It'll go underneath the seat. It kind of hangs out a little bit. It's actually perfect in there. The mechanics of the seat are not touching it. Love it. Very happy with my purchase.